Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, let us do this question. Beta, parameter of interest is the proportion of college students who have made at least one online purchase in last 3 months. So the parameter of interest is the proportion of college students who have made at least one online purchase in last 3 months. P. The point estimate for the population proportion is sample proportion P hat. It is x upon n, where n is the total number of students under study, which is 200, and x is the number of college students who have made at least one online purchase in last 3 months. It is given as 76. So the point estimate is 0.38, or we can write it as 38%. And the standard error of sample proportion P hat is P hat into 1 minus P hat upon n under square root. With P hat equal to 0.38 and n is equal to 200, we get standard error as 0.034. Bit C. We have computed the standard error from the proportion, which is nothing but the sample proportion. So basically the standard error is computed from the sample information. So it is approximately, or we can say it is the approximation to the actual value of the standard error, as we are not aware or we do not know the population proportion P, so it is usually impossible to compute the actual value of standard error. So we use sample standard error. Now bit D is finding the 95% confidence interval for proportion P. Formula is P hat plus minus Z alpha by 2 P hat into 1 minus P hat upon n under square root. We have n is equal to 200, P hat equal to 0.38, and Z critical value for 95% confidence interval is 1.96. Substituting these values, we get 95% confidence interval as 0.312, 0.448. So, we are 95% confident that the true proportion of college students who have made at least one online purchase in last 3 months is 0.312, 0.448. Hope you find this useful.